today is the 15th of October 2021. I think it's Runeberginkatu 17. Is this the staircase area?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. You pass these 4 doors or 21 doors. Let's take the stairs.
Yeah.
This is amazing. 1966 by ValmetSchlieren, the Xenoverse VS 998, added later, modernized 2001. Very interesting find.
Yeah.
It will be inspected next year, 2022. And the Helsinki in Helsinki, of course, Finland. Turning 55 years old this year in 2021. The organization is turning 20 years old this year. With the Delta type of digital indicator.
Yeah.
What's the Kone buttons? Delta logic.
Yeah.
The second ride I want to do towards the window.
Yeah.
Because it's almost like a scenic elevator. I have to check when this was originally built, but probably sometime in the late 20s. I'll check it.
It's kaikki maintained by noise.
Oh, you can use it. Beautiful balcony doors.
Yeah.
But of course, if this had been the original, it would have been even better, but...
Yeah.
But still. I think it also has quite an interesting shape of the camp.
Yeah.
Surrounded by yeah, so it fits in well. That's it, and thank you very much for watching.
That's